Few legions induce fear and terror as much as the seventh, the Night Lords. Even the first of the legionaries were pulled from the black cells beneath the Imperial Palace, murderers, rapists, criminals all, and the legion's tactics would mirror those beginnings. Where other legions would lay sieges, build fortresses, or meet the enemy on the battlefield, the Night Lords chose a different path, the path of terror. And even though every compliance achieved by them would be almost bloodless, they received no recognition, for they would descend on a world and assassinate key figures, torture them, and broadcast their screams over the Vox for all to hear and incite terror until the masses would rebel against their masters just for the chance of being spared by the demons of the night. Their butcher ways would only intensify once their Gene Father, Conrad Curse, was rediscovered, and from his world of Nostromo is where the Legion would get its recruits, criminals all, more brawlers and butchers than warriors. When the heresy began, driven by his foresight and the belief that everything he sees will eventually come true, Conrad Curse declared for Horus and participated in the Dropside Massacre, a brutal betrayal that almost wiped out 3 entire loyal legions. Curse then took his sons and began the Tramas Crusade, a campaign of terror across multiple loyal worlds. But those worlds weren't left alone, and the seventh met a more than worthy adversary, the first, and their Primarch. The crusade was broken. The bigger part of the Legion escaped into the deep void, while some, led by Iago Sevatarian, joined the traitors at Terra. After the heresy, the Legion set up their own dominion of terror in the eastern fringe of the galaxy, and even though they remained united for a time, after the assassination of their Gene Father, they split into numerous warbands. Now, in the 41st millennium, Kediak has fallen to the 13th Black Crusade, and the Night Lords have a clear path to resume their campaign of terror through the wider galaxy. Ave Dominus Nox.